David Mazza is back now with a check of our forecast.
Yeah, taking a live look out at Lake Travis this morning. We are about 3 minutes past sunrise, and we do have a few breaks in the clouds early. Temperature-wise, though, it is cold out there. 29 current reading. We've got north-northeast winds at 8 miles an hour here in the city. Most of the region between about 3 to 12 miles an hour. So what that does is it takes temperatures that are in the 20s, makes them feel like they're in the teens to low 20s outside. This is what it feels like. So you're going to want that winter hat, the gloves, maybe even the scarf if you're going to be out and about for a while this morning, because it feels very cold outside. Now, we are continuing to monitor these temperatures because with the temperatures being as cold as they are and moisture starting to move into the area, there is a possibility of seeing some wintry precip out there. Now, taking a little bit wider scan, and I've been watching this because our air mass to the surface is still very dry. So a lot of this moisture that is falling out of the clouds is evaporating before it's hitting the surface. But what that does is that also cools the air just a little bit more, called evaporative cooling. So that'll cool the air mass just a tad bit more. So temperatures that are near freezing may drop below freezing as some of this moisture evaporates. And we're starting to see like this little band of yellow right to the north of Del Rio. We are getting a couple of sleet reports there. So that's actually ice pellets that the radar is picking up on. It's showing a little bit of a mix in northern Uvalde County. We have had a couple of sleet reports in that area as well. And most of this moisture is moving northward towards the hill country, so we are going to start to see some of these colder bands of moisture moving northward. And for folks in the hill country, may see a few snow flurries later on this morning and into the afternoon hours as well, something we'll be watching for very, very closely. So looking at our future clouds and rain starting at noon, you notice a few snow flurries showing up Mason to Gillespie counties. Will continue to move off towards the north, and most of the moisture stays out of Travis County. Here in Austin, I think we may see a few rain showers. Can't rule out seeing a stray flurry or two, but for the most part, it's just going to be a cold rain that we're going to see. And then as temperatures gradually rise later on this afternoon, this will change over to a mainly rain event for most folks. And we're really going to start to see the rain increase in coverage later tonight and towards tomorrow morning. Thankfully, though, temperatures will stay well above freezing. And then we'll begin to see a little bit of clearing tomorrow afternoon, and temperatures really begin to rise as we head into Tuesday. So our forecast today, looking for an afternoon high of 43. That's it, about 22 degrees below normal. We'll drop only to 40 tonight with rain showers on the increase. We'll see temperatures in the mid-60s tomorrow afternoon, mid-70s by Tuesday and Wednesday. We are going to see a little bit more seasonal air for the end of the work week, and then another storm system moves our way for the start of the weekend.